welcome all. Welcome back to my kitchen. So today I'm going to be making pepper shrimp, and that is one of my favorite dish. So over here I have all my ingredients. It's very simple, guys. So just check out the seasonings that I'm going to be using today. Oh, and I forgot my green seasoning, but let me get it from my fridge because I made some green seasoning the other day, so I'm going to use some too. Alright, so this is my shrimp. I already wash it and clean it, and yes, I take off the egg them, and I kind of like burst the back of the shell to get into it to clean it, because I know someone have to take out that something that them say are the shrimp shit. So you gotta get rid of that. Alright? So let me go get on the apron and come back and show you how I'm gonna season the shrimp. Alright, my lovely peeps. So first thing first. I love say that, first thing first. Anyway, may I use some pink salt on the shrimp here. Alright. And trust me, this is salt here, it's not salt. But now see a salt. So I am using red pepper.
Purchase your tracks today.
Liquid become green seasoning. And I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of annatto oil on my shrimp, and this annatto oil is going to give it color, and it's also going to kick up the flavor. Alright, see it. So I have here some scotch bonnet pepper, and I'm using 2 scotch bonnet pepper. So guys, if you don't like it really hot, fiery hot, then only can use 2 peppers. If not, go ahead and use 1 pepper. And I have some chopped onions and some chopped spring onions. And some thyme. You can put in the thyme ola, or you can just take it off the, how you call them, look something at the branch. But anyway, you guys don't know what me talk. Alright, take it off like that.
Purchase your tracks today.
And then we're gonna go ahead and mix it together. You can put on a gloves and rub it in if you want to, or just use your hands, or just use
hash on the bit.
whatever you can use. Cause me not put down my hand in this, but I eat up pepper in a hell no.
Purchase your
after finish seasoning it, you just put it aside for like 15 to 20 minutes. Make it go and marinate. Alright, so I'm gonna leave this for 15 to 20 minutes. Make it marinate. Alright guys, so finish marinating. So turn my stove on. Yeah. I'm gonna put my oil in my pot. And again, I'm using a nata oil. So I'm going to use 2 tablespoons. And if when you're making this and you feel like you're running out of oil, you can always add more oil to your pot. Alright, so now wait for it to heat up. Alright, so my oil ready. The oil is ready, guys. Alright, so now that the shrimp is in the pot, I am going to cover the pot and leave this, let this go and do its thing for about 3 minutes, then I'll come back and check it. Alright guys, so let me go and check them shrimp and I'll see what I'm going with. Alright, I'm going to change color. I'm going to split them. So this is how you want it to look, guys. And you start to see it start to have that pinkish kind of whitish looking color. Look at that. So you know so it's a cook. Alright. So that's a good sign so far. Don't worry about color, because we have other stuff that we're going to add to our pot. Alright. So right now, I'm going to go ahead and add some more anatto oil to the shrimp. It smells good. It smells so good, guys. You can always add more oil if you feel like your pot running out, drying out. You can always add more anatto oil to your pot. So I went in and I added 2 more tablespoons of anatto oil to my pot. Alright. Okay. So I will cover back my pot for about a minute and I'll come back to it. Okay guys, so now I'm going to go in with some red food coloring in water. Okay. So if you have the gel food coloring, you use it. And if you have the dry one, you use it. Alright, so after I add that in, I'm going to give that a little stir. And I'm going to cover this and turn the fire down real low. Like that. Alright, turn down the stove and low. and leave it, let it catch its color, let it suck up all of that
Purchase your treasure.
coloring. Alright guys, so let's see what's going on with the shrimp them now. Wow. Alright, so this is finished. So I'm gonna turn off the fire and remove it, put it over here, and I'm gonna let it sit for 15 minutes. Cover it and let it sit for 15 minutes with no heat, and then I'm gonna plate it and come back and show you what it looked like. Alright guys, so this is the finishing touch of my pepper shrimp. Guys, the color is so beautiful. And like me say, when you are making it, you can always add more and not the oil. If you feel like you need more oil, don't be afraid to add it. And add your color. If you feel like you want more coloring in it, don't be afraid to add your color, your red food coloring a little bit in little water, and you're good to go. Look on that. Guys, it smells so good. The pepper are kick up in it.
Hash on the bit.
Yeah man. Straight out of Carla's kitchen. Pepper shrimp. Yeah. See it there guys? Nice. Alright. So for the ingredients for this lovely dish, it is gonna be on my website. So the link to my website is gonna be in the description down below. So you just click on it and it should take you straight there to my website, where you can find all the ingredients for all my dishes. And remember, check out my Facebook page on Facebook. Hi, Carla's Kitchen. I said on Facebook. Anyway, you guys don't know it go. So, thank you so much for all the love and the support. Yeah. Thank you again for stopping by. And I'm going to see you guys very soon in my next video. Check out the pepper shrimp, guys. You know want some? See it there? You can have it all. Yeah. Bye guys.